So, kinido na filter. It's gonna give us signs. So, let's see. Let's have this sign. Let's have these signs before 2026 ends. Or let's say sa December. Ay, grabe naman ka-juicy. December 2026. So, erase natin. So, 5 signs na magaganap sa 2026. First is Wizard. It's giving like wisdom and knowledge. So, we learned our lessons sa mga mistakes. Thank you sa mga lessons, life lessons. Okay, second. Lagi mukha. Parang alam talaga eh. Mukha na putag 12 ka grapes. Diba? Grapes. Okay, next. Allergy. Pwede. Food. More food sa December. Parties everywhere. Okay. Lesson learned good lagi. Yes, Lord, I know. We must learn our lessons good. Never repeat the same mistakes. Okay? Pila naman to? Tulo. Fourth. Ikaw na ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw na ba love of my life? Okay. Napag-crown. Oh my God, crown prince. Paano pa makamit? Basin tayo mag-ato siyang Jensen. I'll be just here waiting for you. Okay, last. Last na lang. Okay. Important talong nalamig kitang sudan.